trip now, but I just have to share that I remember one time I was visiting relatives and Zyler decided to poop. And nakalimutan kong magdala ng diaper. And I checked my wallet. I only had a few coins left. Tapos ayaw pang tumanggap ng e-wallet yung store mismo. So I rushed to buy EQ for the very first time, hoping it would work. I was shocked. Here's why. 360 degrees snug fit, harap at likod, no leaks, no mess. The bubble top sheet kept him comfy, and he was running around like nothing happened. The super absorbent core kept my little one dry kahit naglalaro siya. Yayamanin pero presyong abot kaya. And it was like around 8 pesos per pad for a double XL size. Mas mura siya compared sa ibang brands na 9 pesos to 10 pesos per pad. Tapos eto pa, may plus 6 free pads sa pack. Sulit siya in every way, yayamanin pero presyong abot kaya, hiyang pa kay baby. Kaya ikaw, kung makalimot man, EQ pants ang dapat una mong tandaan. Budget friendly, trusted by moms, may plus 6 free pads pa. Mapapa-thank yourself ka talaga.